Okay, so we're gonna follow that street all the way down. I'll just give you a little context where we are exactly. So we're near São Lourenço's church right there, and this is George Cini Street. And you got another street down that way. This one goes, I believe that goes west, and I think this one goes east, I think. I'm not entirely sure, but we're gonna be walking up that way. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so check out that cool apartment. Yeah, it looks like a really cool apartment. It's got a coffee shop here. We're gonna follow this all the way down. Then we're gonna go down this way. And I'm not sure the name of this street yet, but we'll take a look and see. Go across here. This is see here. Yeah, I don't see the name, but this is where we're coming from. Here's Rua São Lourenço. I think we'll see the street sign soon enough, but we're basically going to be walking directly this way. São Lourenço's church right there. It's a salon in the corner. Let's see what's in this alley. Oh, there's a little temple down that way too. Okay. Okay, let's keep on going down and let's check it all out. Yeah, we're kind of near São Lourenço's church, which is St. Lawrence's in English. It's one of the oldest churches. I think it's like 1500s or 1600s, I think. You could definitely walk down that way. That goes towards Senado Square. At least, I guess that way it goes north. So that goes north, that goes west, and this goes east. There's St. Lawrence's church right there. And that's supposed to be our street right here. Rua da Imprensa Nacional. Oh yeah, originally built in 1560. This is one of the oldest churches in Macau. The present day is the results worked out in 1846. Okay. So 1560. Wow, look at that apartment. If you were out there, you'd really look like you were on display there. That looks kind of cool too. Okay. Let's see here. So yeah, this is definitely our street. That might have started at a different street right there. It's kind of cool, that little middle part. But they have some of that Portuguese style stuff. This street might actually be a really short street. Because of it, let's go over this side. I want to check out the coolness of this apartment. Look at those apartments right there. Nice. Those ones too. So this might be a really small street. Rua da Imprensa Nacional. Yeah, I think that is the end of our street right there. And if we go down this way, it goes to Rua Central. So this street is Rua Central right here. So because the street changes quite a bit, I'm gonna go down. There's Rua Central. And that's our tiny little street with São Lourenço's around the corner. Isn't that cool apartments? It's nice. So yeah, this is Rua Central right there. Going all the way down. This is Rua São Lourenço. Yeah, just kind of go around the block a little bit. And you can kind of see that the church is at the end of this right here. Doggy, sushi, kinds of interesting stuff. Oh, look at that. Some fence there. Really sticks out there. I don't know if you can see that at nighttime very well, but then here's a church on the other side, San Lorenzo's. So okay, there it is. So yeah, that's kind of a short street, but since it was so short on the other side of San Lorenzo, we basically went around it a little bit, and now you got a little bit different perception of it. Nice beautiful tree too. Okay, let me just see if we can get around here. Can. There's San Lorenzo's. And this is Rua de San Lorenzo, St. Lawrence. And we basically started up there. Okay. I think we're gonna conclude a little bit more. So that's where the start of the street is. So I just kind of went around a little bit more. I thought I'd give a little bit of conclusion to it. So that's that street. And look how beautiful these buildings are right along here. So we're gonna capture that as well. There we go. So that's the street that we just went on. And we'll end it there too.